Hey folks, Kid back. Are you looking for a way to shorten this kind of mess in your description box? This video is about to show you how to do that. I just found a really neat tool to use to make that URL as short as this one. So stay tuned, stick around, hit the like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, you're not going to be able to see me on this because I want the whole screen to show you what's going on. What we're going to be using is a site called BITLY. And BITLY is a tool that you house your URLs onto their site and you direct to that site and it directs to where the URL is pointing. So basically it's a redirect, like a URL redirect site. So, and the best part about this whole tool is that you, like if your URLs ever change, like if there's ever a promotion that you want to offer on any of your URLs or whatever like that, and the URL actually has to change for that promotion, you can actually just go into BITLY, change one URL, and all your URLs that you posted on those videos, like the videos that you posted that URL to, change automatically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this BITLY site, and all you have to do is type in www.bitly.com and then make your profile. This is my profile right here. And all you got to do to create a new URL is just go up to this create new button. You click that and then you click link. And it's a free site, so you can use this up to, I think it's 50 URLs you can put in here under a free promotion. After that, there's other packages that you can buy to get more URLs. But for the average YouTuber, I think 50 is quite a bit. So what you need to do is you need to go to your site, the site that you want to shorten, like this one right here. Like like this used to be in my description box for this series. This is one of the sites that I use for creating my thumbnails and whatnot like that. Now, in order to put that in my description box, it's going to take up a whole lot of space. It's going to look really, really messy. So you want to copy it, then go back to the BITLY site, and then in this enter long URL, paste it. And then leave everything else alone. I do. I leave everything else alone. And then I just go down to create. And then it creates this link. And then you just type in the link title. And for this one here, it's Canva. And I haven't played with this enough to customizing backup will prevent deleting this link later. Yeah. I don't know if you have to put what I have to do to put the back half in there, whether it's just type in whatever, but or /Canva or whatever, I don't know. So I'm not going to mess with that. Once I figure that out, I'll do another video and show you how to mess with that. And then I just hit save. And then that saves the link, and then I copy it. Okay, it says copied. Now I'll go back to my page, and then I'll just paste that in there. As soon as I can find paste. Control V. Hey. There. I guess on this one here, I'm just going to have to cut this out of here. So just delete it. Now, just do a little bit of more editing here on my page. There. You see how much shorter that is? Now, just to show how accurate that is, I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to go to my browser. And I'm going to paste it in here. And boom, I go to Canva. And this is where I set up this is where you can set up your login for designing your thumbnails and whatnot. But just to show that that's the same link, I'm going to go to the other one, which I've saved, just for this demonstration. I'm going to copy that one. I'm going to paste that long one in here. It's the same site. Just a shorter, more condensed URL to sit in your description box. So now that I've got that all figured out and taken care of, I'll close that one out. Stop that. Back up. I'm going to go through and do the rest of these. And then show you the differences. There. Now, you see how much neater that is? There's all the same links that are in these ones. Now, it takes 2 pages for this with the long form links compared to this just little page right here. And there's all kinds of room down here to put more stuff. But you only have like 5,000 characters in your description box. So this is going to help save a lot of that space. And like I said before, the best part about this little tool is that when you have these URLs all created, if something ever changes, like say for example, Shotcut puts out an update and it has to put it up on a different server or a different website, then you just go into your BITLY, change where that website is, and it changes every video, or it changes the URL on every video. It changes where that link is taking you to every video that you've put that link on. So this is a game changer here, folks, for your description box. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. This is pretty much the end of the series of the videos that I've created for how I upload my videos and how I create and edit and all that stuff. This video was actually made like weeks after, a week and some days after I created the other videos that I said, well, there was a site, this is the site. This is the site that I'm talking about when it comes to shortening your URLs. So have fun with this, folks, and see you in the next comedy video. Peace, love, and happiness to everybody.
Hey gang, to get to the next video, you want to click this next video right here. This one will take you to the next video that I'm talking about in the OBS and editing sessions. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.